Gad Benda or country director wa World Voices Uganda kugambaho n'eminyeeto agishabira kurekeraho kwetina okureba hare okuba no bwesogwa ahabo kuba ngo Uganda n'eminyeeto. Benda nagira ngo eminyeeto tekozire ekiro kumara okurinda ebyo bahangwa kandi nagira ngo iki kibasa kuteganisa nyensya yabo.
Umutima ogwo kurora hara mube nerise likurora hara mube no bwesigwa mube no mutima ogukugambira ngo nikisoboka. You must always be hopeful kandi mukimanye ngo Uganda yanyu.
Nyabarashisi Salamateke ore minister w'eminyeeto hamwe n'inshonga z'abana kandi ojwekirwe omunyishengero kazi ahabwa district ya Kagadi Jennifer Chomuhendo Mbabazi ashabira eminyeeto okongera gukora n'amani okuta omuganda omukutungura Uganda hamwe n'ekiroto cy'omwaka 2030.
The youth who form a significant part of our population face challenges ranging from disrupted education to job losses, decreased access to resources, and mental health concerns. Yet, in the face of adversity, our youth have shown remarkable resilience. They have seized the opportunity to lead in the fight against COVID-19, raising awareness, supporting communities, and driving innovation.
I am happy that one of the programs is government etero niyo PDM. PDM singa tugiye kuonyesha kurungi. Then probably eja kukonyera eminyeeto kurekavalinga.
Habaton wagaba orumukuru w'eminyeeto omu district ya Kagadi nagira ngo eminyeeto negumizamu erukora obusente buke aha mirimo mike eyibarukora.
Abasikazi nabayine emirimo baitu bachafuna omusara mutayito parliament ekarengaho mwarengaho kurabya minimum wage bill, but I think it has not been yet enacted into an act. So tukusaba bojo muragaruka mujugumbye mutu yambeho.
Dr. William Musheshe, Vice Chancellor wa African Rural University, nagira ngo kushomesa eminyeeto eby'emikono nikiza kuhera kumaraho ibura ry'emirimo obwo ari kugira ngo ihanga Uganda niritekwa kombekwa abanya-Uganda na munonga abakazi.
So we want you young people to learn, to know that we have a lot of work. Itwe tuhingura together betu gatyaliki gatyali mabaga. So these young women in a few years they will be in the field tugoza ninyo abesiki abamasomero agandi mubeyungeho, because Uganda must be built by Ugandans.
We resolved, but we have not implemented. We resolved in eminyeeto entitled having to be only 30% of inputs as equija mu district ya Kagadi. However, the implementation is zero.
Buri mwaka omunsi yona eminyeeto nejaguza ekiro cyabo kandi omwaka ogu omu Uganda tijagurizibwe omu district ya Kibale. Gashakwa Somas Tumwebaze.